Hello guys, how are you? We are back again to our channel. So this is a same project that we have been casting, and as you can see the progress today, we have done concrete work. We are doing concreting, and as you can see the foundation, we are now done with our foundation. Today we are done with our foundation, and we have followed the process of construction. So it means this foundation has received all its functional characteristics. As you see, we began with the hardcore. After being done with the hardcore, we put maram blinding. We've also put our what we call the DPM. We had a DPM that will prevent dampness from the foundation to the floor, and we have also put our BRC class A98 because this is our this is just a mansion. So we have put our BRC, and we have used our class 15 grade 15 concrete. So today we are done with our foundation, and this is our house, which is ready now to receive another process, which is walling. So as you can see, this is the surface for our foundation that has been done today. And as we can see, our foundation has costed almost 1.2 million, which means it's a very good foundation that has received all its functional requirements. Talking of functional requirements for foundation, some of you know that the foundation has received everything. As you can see, we have also done pointing. So when it comes to water setting or plumbing, we have also done pointing for the washrooms, for the dishes, for the floor tops. We have put those are the pointing for plumbing. There is another there. There is another one here. This one is the floor top. So when we are washing the house, now we don't need to take the water away. We have the floor top here that will drain our water through this pipe all the way to the soak pit or the soak away. So it means we have done something that's not going to stress the presiding work that is going to happen next. So another thing for the functional requirement, it means this foundation also is how do we call, is damp proof. Damp proof, it means it will no longer receive water that is coming from the ground through osmosis through osmosis. We have also used anti-termite gladiator. That is a treatment for the foundation, which means if there is any insects that are going to affect our house, for any furniture that is going to be put here, we are done with that. So we have treated it and nothing is going to happen again. So this is the process that we have done today, and as you can see, we have done it today. We had so many workers at the site. We had so many workers, and we have spent a lot of things today for this foundation. So as you're going to meet in the next video, our next video is going to give us what we call walling. Walling is another function, is another process for the construction. So we are going to do walling in our next process, which is whereby we are going to give this house to rest for at least 7 days as you are doing curing. At least when you're doing curing for 7 days, it will give the house to receive good tenacity. Our concrete will be so tensile, so that now there is nothing like cracks or any complication. So that is what we have done for today. We will see you next in our next video when we are doing when we are setting walling. That will show us now the actual partitions of this house. That's going to show us what is this house is giving us. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like and even share. And even when you want construction services, you can reach us through 0768730282. That is Engineer Kelvin, my director and our producer, will direct you for more information. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share that information that we are sharing here as a construction hub. Thank you.